Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Brother printer to Wi-Fi instant fix step by step clearly. Turn on your Brother printer. Make sure your printer is within range of your Wi-Fi router. Locate the Wi-Fi or network button on your printer's control panel. Press the Wi-Fi or network button to enable the Wi-Fi setup mode. Look for the option to select your wireless network. Use the arrow keys to cycle through available networks. When you find your Wi-Fi network, select it by pressing the OK or Select button. Next, you will be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password. Use the control panel to input your password carefully. Confirm the entry by selecting OK or Next. Wait for the connection process to complete. Once connected, the printer will display a confirmation message. To ensure the connection, print a test page. Check your computer or device to ensure it recognizes the Brother printer on the network. If not, open your computer's settings and go to the Printers and Scanners section. Select Add a printer or scanner and follow the prompts. Choose your Brother printer from the list. Once added, try printing a document to confirm the connection is successful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.